Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is a day 20 of our 300 days DSA series. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it and build our approach. So today's problem is maximum product of three numbers. Here we have given an integer array called nums and we have to find three numbers whose product is maximum and we have to return that maximum product. Now let's see the example of it. Here in example 1 we have given a list with values 1, 2, 3 and the output is 6. In the second example we have the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and the output is 24. In third example we have the values -1, -2, -3 and the output is -6. So now let's see how I approach this problem. So the first thing that comes in my mind when I was solving this problem is that I need to get the three largest number from my list to get the maximum product. Because if I have the three largest numbers from my list, then I'm going to get the maximum product by multiplying them with each other. But the problem will come when I have a negative numbers in my list. Now let's suppose I have a two negative numbers in my second example as -12 and -13. Now if I'm going to multiply only 2, 3, 4, then I'm going to get the output 24. But if I'm going to multiply -12, -13 and 4, then I'm going to get the maximum product. So that means negative numbers can also change my result. So that's why what I have done, first I have created three variables L1, L2, L3 which are representing first largest, second largest and third largest number, and currently I have given -infinity to them. And also I have created two more variables S1 and S2 which are representing first smallest and second smallest, and currently their value is infinity. Thereafter I am running a loop in which I am getting a particular element from my list. So in that loop I am going to check if my value is a first largest, second largest or a third largest, or it is a first smallest or second smallest. If that value is one of them, then I am going to put that value into them. Otherwise my loop will go forward. In the last, when I will exit from my loop, I am going to return maximum of the product of three largest number or the product of two smallest number and first largest number. So now let's understand it more clearly by taking the example 2. So when I'm going to run my loop, the first element I'm going to get is 1, and 1 is currently greater than L1 because L1, L2, L3 all three of them are -infinity. So that means now my L1 will become 1. In the next iteration I will get the value 2, and 2 as we know it is greater than 1. So my L1 will become 2 and my L2 will become 1. In third iteration I am going to get 3. So 3 is also larger than L1. So my L1 will become 3, L2 will become 2 and L3 will become 1 now. Moving forward I will get the value 4 now, which is also greater than L1. So that means now my L1 will become 4, L2 will become 3 and L3 will become 2. So now I have traversed my whole list. Now I will going to exit from my loop. So I'm going to return the maximum of product of L1, L2, L3 because there is no S1 and S2. So that's why we are going to return L1, L2 and L3, which will become 24. And as we know, the output of second example is also 24. So that's how I solve this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, write it on comment. And also if you are same journey as me, then write the day in which day you are in. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.